To begin, place your MTS switch in the off position and your main selector switch to clean. Place a bucket under the dispense head and remove the star nozzle. In the cab, disconnect your low mix level sensing cord. Remove the mix container and replace it with a bucket of cold tap water. Remove your mix bag adapter from the mix bag and place the adapter in your bucket of cold water. You may store the remaining mix for future use. Open your dispense handle and remove as much semi-frozen product as possible from the cylinder. Product from the cylinder is considered a rerun and should be thrown away. Place your MTS switch back into the on position. Your pump should come on and begin moving clean water up into the barrel. This will flush the line of any remaining mix. Back at the dispense head, continue opening your plunger to help flush out any remaining mix. You will continue repeating this process until clean water flows from the dispense head. As a final rinse, replace your water with a bucket of sanitizer and allow that to flush through the machine. Allow the beater to run for 5 minutes with the barrel full of sanitizer. Finally, drain out all the remaining sanitizer. Move your MTS switch to the off position as well as your main selector switch. Continue to remove any possible remaining sanitizer. Once all the sanitizer is removed from the machine, you can begin breaking down your dispense head and your beater shaft. Remove the hand knobs and set them aside. Next, you can pull the head off of the machine. Expect some water to remain in the bottom of the barrel. Remove the beater shaft bushing and set aside. Turn the shaft until the rear blade is facing down. This will help you remove the beater shaft smoothly and without damage. Place your hand under the rear blade so as to prevent from dropping it. Back in the cabinet, loosen the hand nut and remove the safety cover from the pump. Loosen the clamp and drop your roller shoe. Next, remove your red line tube from around the rollers. Loosen the clamp on the braided line and pull it away from the cylinder inlet tube. Finally, remove the air meter tube from the retainer and take the entire assembly out of the cabinet. Identify your cylinder inlet tube. Using the supplied 30-inch overall length brush and a mild detergent solution, scrub the inside of this tube with your brush. This will help prevent buildup and blockages inside of this tube. Next, remove your 2 retaining O-rings from the posts on the front of your pump. Your roller shoe and swing arm clamp can now be removed and cleaned in a mild detergent solution. Using the supplied brush, brush around the pump and in between the rollers. Flush clean with a water bottle. Lubricate the shoe pivot arm and the swing arm clamp with food grade lubricant. Once cleaned and allowed to dry, reassemble the roller shoe and the O-ring and the shoe swing clamp and its O-ring. Prepare a 3-compartment sink for wash with mild detergent, rinse with clean water, and sanitizer. Begin cleaning all the components removed from the freezer. The dispense head should be broken down completely and all the O-rings removed to be cleaned individually. Make note of the various brush sizes in your spare parts kit. This is by design, and these are intended to be used in different applications throughout the machine. For example, the various openings in your dispense head are different sizes and should be cleaned with the appropriate brush. Break down all the individual components of your MTS hose assembly. Again, make note of the various tube sizes of this assembly. A specific brush is included in the kit for each tube size. Replacement brushes are available from Electrofreeze and can be supplied to you from your local distributor. For assistance with finding your local distributor, please contact the Electrofreeze factory or visit our website. Disassemble all three pieces of the rear shaft seal and clean them individually. Inspect the coupling end of your beater shaft for any signs of wear or damage. Place all of your clean and rinsed parts into sanitizer and allow them to soak for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove them from the sanitizer and allow them to air dry. Using the supplied brush and a mild detergent solution, wash and rinse your barrel assembly. To help prevent buildup and clogs, clean your drain tube.